Hello lovely viewers, I welcome you to Omades, and please, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe for more tutorials and be notified by selecting the notification bell. Then you select all. And today our lesson is I want to learn how to create or design a trophy. Okay, how to design a trophy, and this tutorial is for both beginners and advanced level. So first of all, I'll take my page, and to design a trophy, the page doesn't matter. Okay, just this one is just for tutorial purpose. So I've taken my page, then I've turned into landscape. Then you see a trophy is normally, it has a leaf around it. Okay, yeah, that leaf normally represent, let's say, medal or something like that. So I'm coming to draw my leaf, coming to draw a leaf. So I take ellipse tool, I'll first draw this, then I drag it to this side. I press my hand on the control key on the keyboard, I drag it to this side, then I right click on the right bottom of the mouse to duplicate it. Okay, good. Then I come here, I take smart fill, I fill here, click pick tool, then I delete the original drawings. Now I take a freehand tool, then I draw a straight line like this to divide this shape into two. Okay, divide it into two. Let me put it at the right place. Good. Then I come back again, I take a smart fill, then I click here, I click here. For you to see that it has filled another color, let's change it and see. Yeah, good. Now come back here, I take interactive fill, then I drag it to this side, and I fill it with color of my choice. So let's say this green. Okay, then I need only two colors, then avocado green. Okay, and I control it by regulating this size. Good. I can delete this one. Now I want to fill this color at this part, the same color fill. Okay, so I select here this part, then I click on the interactive fill tool, then you come here, copy fill, it will give you this arrow, then you shoot on the color that you want to sample. Okay, good. Now let me select all and remove the outline color outline. Yeah, good. Now I still want to control it to bring small differences. Yeah, good. Want to bring small differences like this. Good. Now let me draw a small tip for this tree. Take a vertex like this. Here's the remains of my desk. If you have any comment, kindly drop it under the comment section, and if you have any question too, don't hesitate to ask. Good. Now let me increase the outline, the size. So you come here, it's too small for me. 1.5 is okay. That's the bar of the leaf. Okay, so I want to fill this this area with the same color. Okay, so I pick the eyedropper tool, then I sample this color, then I shoot it here. Good. I think that the size is too small. Let me increase it. Yeah, it's okay now. Then I select all, then I group it and reduce the size. Now I come here, I take ellipse tool, I draw this, take the ellipse tool, I drop it, I draw this shape. Okay, draw this shape, then I take my leaf and bring it closer. First of all, let me copy one aside, then you click it twice to bring this rotational sign. Okay, good. And I put it somewhere here. Okay, this is the middle of the shape. Okay, so I put this one somewhere here. I rotate it like this, then I copy it again, then I rotate that one also to meet the other one, like this. Here still remains Omades. If you have any question, kindly drop it under the comment section. Good. Now I group this one, I click on it again, then it will bring me this midpoint. Okay, that's the midpoint for the shape or for my object. So I will drag this midpoint, follow this line. When you get to the center, you see that this is center, then you leave it. And in order for you to find the exact center, you have to come here. Okay, and this snap, okay, you have to put it on. If I put it off and I drag it, it's because I've already put it there. If you put it off and you drag this center to this place, when you come, you cannot find. Look at this, because I put it off. Okay, I put it off, you cannot find. So you have to put it on. Okay, good. Now if you drag it and reach there, you see that's the center. So always you have to put it on to detect the center of the object. Okay, now that I've put this one to the center, you come to Windows, you come to Dockers, then you come to Transform. Okay, now you come to Angle. The angle is the distance. So let me say, okay, I have to increase it. And the copy, I want it 1:1. I don't want it more. I want to duplicate it one after the other for you to see, just for tutorial purposes. So after this, then you click on apply. Okay, so let's see. You see, good. Now I think this place is okay. Yeah, it's okay. Now this place is okay. So you take this one and put it here. That will be the tip for my leaf. At the tip of the leaf. Oh, sorry. Good. Now I'll drag this one to fall inside the middle. Then I can make this one half, okay, like this. You click here, you see this arc. Now it's not a full circle again. Then you drag this one and come here. Then you make it arc, okay. Now you come to object, then you come to convert to curves. Now you can control it manually, okay, like this. Then you push here for it to fall inside the leaf, okay. Now I have to increase the size of the arc. I think this one is okay, and I give it a color. The color must be the same as this one, so in order to maintain the same color, I click here, then I fill it inside here, okay. Good. Now it does not fall inside well, so you can control it. Take a shape tool, double click, or this one is okay. This one, so yeah, I have to put it here a bit. Good. Oh, sorry. And this one must be here. I want it to fall within the arc. I have to increase this one a bit because it seems like it's too small. Let me make it 2. Okay, good. Now let me take this shape tool. I double click here, okay, to put a knot here. Then I control here like this. Good. Now I group this one, okay. Then I hold here. That's the midpoint. You see, it has already midpoint, okay. Then you hold here, put your hand on the control, then you drag it to right hand side like this. Then you right click to duplicate it. Now then I can open it like this. Good. Now let's draw a very simple trophy. It's very simple, okay, very simple, just for tutorial purposes. Now you take this one. Let me put this one aside. Good. And delete this one. Then you come here, you take this, I draw this, okay. Once I take this one, I click here, convert to curves. Then I drag this one here, I drag this one also here, like this, okay. Good. Like this. Now I copy it. I just showed you one, so copy it like this, okay. Then I'm sorry, I deleted it. I do this, okay. I do this, and I'll put this one here. I control it to this side like this. Then I take smart fill, I click here, then I delete this one, okay. Now that I've got this, I remove the outline, that is none. There's already now one, this line there, so I have to delete this one. Good. Now I take this one like this, I click here, I go here, I double click, then I come here. That's the hand of the trophy. Then I work on it like this. Here still remains Omades as a graphic design tutorial page. Let me reduce the hand a bit. Good. Now I increase the outline. It's too small. Good. I pick this one, I click here, then I fill it. Okay. Now I group it, then I hold this one, I copy one to the other side like this. Okay. Now you ungroup. Okay, then you weld this one. Okay, the middle one, you weld it together, then you group it. Okay. Now you make this one like this. Take this one, I draw something like this here. I click here. Then I click here, convert to curves like this. Okay. Just like this. Then I increase the outline. I fill it something like this or something like this. Then I take transparent to, then I blend here. I think this will have to change the color, something like this. Good. Then let me reduce the size to, let's say 6. Good. Work on it. Then I copy one also to the other side like this. I copy one of this here in the middle, then I make it straight. Okay, like this. Okay, good. That one, this one, something like this, or color. Okay, let me make that one more transparent. Okay. Okay, good. Now I group it like this. Then I take rectangular tool. I draw something here, something like this. Then come here, object, convert to curves. I take the shape tool, then I work on it. Okay, I put this one inside, then I click here, put this one also inside. Okay, just like this. Something like this. Good. Now let me ungroup it first. I click here on group, then let me straight this one to this side a bit. Then I select this one, put my hand on a shift, then click on this shape, meaning I've selected all together. Then I weld it to take the same color. Okay, after I take one of these, then I make it small. I reduce the length. Okay, then I reduce the size like this. Oh, I think 2 is okay. Then I curve it like this. Okay, you're still watching Omades. Then I copy one to this side like this, and I open a bit. Then I copy a straight one like this. And that one too, I reduce the size to something like this. Okay. Then I take ellipse tool and I draw something like this here. I take this one, I pick this color and fill it inside like this. Then I remove the outline. Oh, sorry, it's there but it's too small. I have to open it. This one, copy, fill it, yes, like this, something like this. And I take effect, blur, Gaussian blur. Okay. Now, this one, the transparency has to go up, okay? So I can mirror this one, and the rest, if I take this, then I rotate this one so that the transparency will go up like this. Go up like this. Then click here, make this one straight. This one should be more transparency. Come to effect, blur, and increase it a bit. Good. Now I want this one to fall within the shape, so I select all by putting my hand on the shift and select and click on it one after the other. After I come to what do you call it, object, I come to power clip, place inside container, then I shoot it here. Good, you see. Then I right click, edit PowerPoint, then I stretch it within the given line. So after click on finish, you see it has fall within inside. Now you take this one, okay, and draw something like this. I think I have to still increase this one because, sorry, let me ungroup it. Let me increase this one a bit. Good. Now take this one, then I take this, then I click here, then I move it to the right hand side a bit like that. Good. After I copy it like this, then I take this one and do this, then I stretch it a bit over to make it as the down, and I can fill this color here. Then I click on this one, I remove the outline, and this one to what color? And this one is okay, yeah, this one is okay, and that one too, I remove the outline. Yes. So now can take one of this here, then I rotate it. Okay, I reduce the size, do something like this. I remove the round edges and make it straight. I put it here, then I take this one, then I fade this one and blend it with the background. Do the same thing here, and I do the same thing here. Let me bring it down a bit. Good. Now after this, I group it, I stretch it a bit, then I bring in my leaf around it. Okay, so let me reduce this one, put it here. Okay, like this. Now I group it, then you press P to be in the middle of the page. Then after, I preview it, and that's the end of the trophy design. This is just for tutorial purposes, and it's just for beginners, and it doesn't matter if you're an expert too, we can pick some ideas from here. And I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any comment, kindly drop it under the comment section, and please, your subscription is highly needed. Thank you for your time. Bye bye.